What you think about?
I have forgotten to record a proper intro, so unfortunately we will start the video like this. So, voice over me shall be back. Let's see if the old girl starts up after sitting for so long. I know it's dirty. Ooh, where's the clutch? Alright. Well, she started up. Kinda. I'll be back in a bit. We're back. Put her in the yard. Just let a little bit of, and the car run, generate some power. At this point, I have to apologize for the mess in the yard. It is still under construction. But yeah, this is the main reason why is the car in the yard and getting, after only 29 years of ownership, it's getting a rebuild. And as you can see here, one dead brand is never enough. So my whole family drives dead brands at this point. This actually used to be my daily car, but I gave it to my dad because he gave me the Rover that's actually been in the family for 29 years. And here she is. Just a quick little walk around the car. Original wheels, original everything on the car. I mean, the car is just beautiful, but unfortunately has horrible amounts of work, and I mean horrible amounts of work. As I'm about to show you here, we have a completely broken armrest. We have completely sloppy gear selector, gear shifter, call it whatever. The lines are just stretched out. There's a lot of play in it. Absolutely horrible. One of the latches on this thing is actually stuck, but at least it's stuck in the open, so only the right one here, no, sorry, only the left one works. The right one is stuck open, so it's supposed to have two latches. The wood here, I put a foil over it, the reason being to protect it, because as you can see here, the lacquer has completely peeled off of the wood and, yeah, decided to disintegrate right on the T-shelf. So yeah, just for a little bit of protection, I just put it on until we get that sorted out. These things are in immaculate condition, but unless you're sitting high up like this, I mean, they're completely useless. Same with this one. Same story, although you get a little fancy mirror here. The seats, okay, the passenger seat is not really that bad, and the rear seats are mostly okay, except for a little bit of splitting between the seats, as you can see right there where the Garfield is, unfortunately. And yeah, those are covered for a reason. The sun has just absolutely cracked them, but unfortunately our driver's seat here is absolutely destroyed, and I mean destroyed. I have never, well, not never, but it's been quite a bit of years since I saw a seat come apart this badly. Of course, this will all be reupholstered, will all be fixed, and for once we have a Rover with good headlining, which actually isn't even a problem on the coupes. It's every other Rover that has this problem. It is a fairly low mileage car with only 180,000 kilometers on it. And it also has a wrong fuel tank that I have forgot to mention, but we'll get to that part maybe in the next video. For now, it's just an introduction to how horrible this car is. And yeah. As you can see, the cam sensor is in the door, because it has completely stopped working. It got sucked in by the teeth on the cam. They're supposed to give the signal for which injector to fire. So yeah, they're just amazing, you know. But to be fair, all the parts are original, all the sensors are original, and the car is 31 years old in this point of time. So yeah, as you can see, the car is basically rust free. There's no rust basically anywhere. It is the famous turbo T series, making 200 brake horsepower. It is fast, it is fun, it is torquey, and it has a ton of torque steer, especially because of all my suspension bushings are completely worn at this point. So yeah, that's gonna be in future videos. I'm gonna record every little thing on this car. I just want to have it recorded. I also want to share it and how I fixed some of the issues I have. So if anybody ever needs it in the future, they can just search it up. Here you have to forgive me. I have completely and utterly forgot that I only have one available hand. So I'm going to use the interior one, the interior latch to open the boot. And yeah, besides the classic issue that you're gonna see here, which is the drains on your Tomcat almost never working. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out real quick. Alright, here we are. It is cleaned. I have poked the drains. It is letting the water through now, so not collecting water. I will clean that out better, and there's a little bit of water in the trunk because I left it open while cleaning. We have a fifth full-size aluminum spare. This is from the factory. It might even be the original tire. I have to check on that. Here I'm about to show you, as you can see, that there's basically no rust in this car. The only place you'll find any piece of rust is slightly on the arches around the wheels, which is normal for these cars, honestly. And after 31 years, that being the only failing point is just amazing. You cannot even tell it on the video. Just a small update on the end of the video. I did end up taking all of this apart, which was slightly a pain in the... What happened is the cam sensor has completely failed, and it has wrapped itself all around the teeth. So yeah, ordered a new one. Should be there soon. Back to voiceover me, of course. While we're here, I might as well show you guys my daily car, which I will be doing a proper review on, and obviously some other things. This is my Rover 45 Connoisseur in very high equipment. The wheels are from the V6 model. This is not a V6 model again. It has leather seats, heated seats, AC. It has a sunroof. It has everything. It is a really nice daily car. And yeah, here's the Sabi again. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.